wanted to talk about my NFT, the three little birds. It's a very simple one. I wasn't trying to steal from Bob Marley or any of the artists who modeled this because they're all assets, but it was inspired by the Three Little Birds song. I got a few assets, I put them together because I use Eevee. If anyone knows the Eevee blender render engine, it's what helps me get those bright emissions. I know it doesn't look realistic. They say realism beats good looks, but I don't know. I was trying to go for a spiritual vibe, so I wasn't really going for a realistic look. I was going for something a little more God-based. But yeah, Three Little Birds was inspired by the song Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. While I was doing my research on what kind of digital art I want to sell and make, I made a piece called Three Little Birds. Basically, three birds rotating around a small cube of energy, and that was the first piece that sold. I'm actually continuing with the breakdown of the other two pieces. I don't want to be too complex because I didn't do a lot of modeling. I did a lot of arrangement and compositing. my love for reggae music and my love for the message Bob Marley carries in his music. Because of the way he delivers certain messages, he says them simple, like he uses simple wording, simple diction, simple English. I mean, Three Little Birds, speech by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true, saying this is my message to you. I guess that painting explains itself more than I can. But remember to stay blessed. I've been away for a while, but I've been busy doing more stuff. So remember to enjoy, like, share, all those nice things. Alright, peace, bye.